Yeah, I'll be right down. It's an amazing view. We are now making our way down so we can access the lower levels of the mining facility. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh shit! You all good, brother? I think I caught it on camera.
I just pulled it and went.
This is going to America's Funniest Home Videos. This is gonna be #1, baby. We'll post it on that new platform, YouTube. Nah, just kidding. It's 2026. Oh shit. I swear I just hallucinated a Claymore mine. I thought I heard my name. Yeah, no, we got that. No sweat.
Okay, I think this might be our last floor.
This one?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I don't want to stay too late either.
Yeah.
Those rooms seem cool, but I don't want to get too long.
Hey, if you explore those in the future and find a carbide lamp, let me fucking know, dude. Grab that shit for me. Let me out.
I did not think of that.
Could have thrown out the dirt. ground doesn't feel too solid. Huh? Oh shit. All good?
Yeah, I just want to take the plywood and stuff. I don't know about you, but
Yeah, we got that. Wait, hang on. I'm just joking. Do you think we got that?
no, I don't think we got that.
No, we don't.
We did not got that. There's a trail up there though.
Okay, so we climbing?
Yeah, I think so. We definitely not got that.
Okay. Well,
Maybe recording again.
this means I'm gonna have to end this recording. Are we calling it?
No, not yet. We're gonna go up and see what happens.
Alright, well, end recording. See you soon.